Are you tired of competing for the same high-volume keywords? Learn how to find dozens of long-tail keywords in under 3 minutes. I'll show you exactly how to use Semrush's Keyword Magic tool with advanced filters to uncover low-competition long-tail keywords. Start by going to Semrush folders to take control of your data. Click the magnifying glass logo below the Home button. Then select Keyword Magic tool from the menu. Type your seed keyword into the Keyword Tips field. Now click on US to choose your country, and hit Search to get results. Open the Advanced Filters panel. Click Word Count and type the number of keywords you want. Type 3 to set a minimum word count. Type 4 to set a maximum word count. Click on Highlight to see matching keywords. Then click Apply to confirm the filter. Go to the All Keywords tab. Click on a keyword to check its long-tail variations. Now click on Volume to sort by search volume. Finally, click on the desired volume to get detailed data. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.